I'm sorry if you're sick of seeing this look, but I filmed the full thing and I'm hoping it would be useful to someone, so I share. I'm using the elmers Pritt stick, is it? And just trying to block out my brows a little bit on the outer edge because my brows slope down and this is a bit more of a lifted look. Product names will be in the description, but I'm using this cream eyeshadow all around the eyes. It's the Becca one, which will probably get a bit cheaper now they've discontinued it. Using this warm matte shade just to add a bit of shape, but more on the inside and the outside, like that sort of 30s 20s look. I like to use a gel based liner to do this little technique where you put a little bit roughly and then diffuse it out with a firm brush. I just find gel ones stay on a bit better and they give you a nice like smoky base. Going back to the Cheap and Cheerful Catrice palette that I got from Just My Look. Then a little bit of the glitter from the other side of the Becca one. This came in like a little cheap set that was on offer at Boots, and I pressed it on with my finger just because then I can use it in my kit to decant it a bit. Mascara, building it up. This Fenty like cream contour is a good shade for fairer skin. It's a nice cool one. Sometimes they're a bit too orange, but if you love a cream contour, this one works really well. Use a bit of bronzer just to blend it all out and warm up my skin a bit. Going in with highlighter, even though it's not very historically accurate. Maybe they need a bit of Vaseline. I want it to be quite monotone, so I used the same eyeshadow that I used on the eye, but mixed it with a bit of the fleshy tone in the palette just so it wasn't too dark. Fine lifted brows, then using the Zazo lashes. The picture I was working from was kind of orangey red, so I used that with the lip pencil all over and then used more of a browny shade just on the outer edge to contour this kind of glossy orangey lipstick over the top. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope that was useful to someone. Here I am posing, cringe. There you go, that's the quickly popped on a wig. I know it's not a literal Betty Davis hair, but I think she did have a reddy undertone. Try and do her sort through. Problem is when I look down like that you can't see any eyeshadow on me and my eyes are so huge. Which do you prefer? My blonde hair or this wig? My boy's just in nursery morning and I should have been getting the food shopping and tidying, but this is so much more fun. It's research. Bye!